Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we will delve into CoreWeave Class A common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has ranked CoreWeave Class A common stock as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.08. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 125.99% since we initially recommended purchasing CoreWeave Class A common stock 16 days ago. This results in an average return of 7.87% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned in the upper region of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback toward the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at $108.44 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline, Volatile Ride for CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock price on Thursday, moving between $99.51 and $116.54. The CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock price fell by 6.73% on the last day, Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, from $107.39 to $100.16. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 17.11% from a low of $99.51 to a high of $116.54. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 82.11% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day, along with the stock, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should align with the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 641,000 shares, with a total of 60 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $6.03 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $116.54, while the lowest price was $33.52. Currently, the price is 14.05%, or $16.38, below the 52-week high of $116.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave stock, trading under the symbol CRWV, has surged by approximately 39% this week, reflecting growing investor enthusiasm, despite rising U.S. Treasury yields weighing on the broader market. The stock has gained an impressive 200% in just 1 month, driven by a recent victory in securing a new customer, although concerns linger as the company continues to operate at a loss. A notable catalyst for this rally was CoreWeave's announcement of a $2 billion debt offering. Following the news, shares increased by 18%, bolstering investor confidence. Additionally, the company boasts a substantial revenue backlog of nearly $30 billion, projected to convert at an annual rate of 20 to 25% over the next several years. This establishes a promising outlook, with anticipated fiscal year 2026 revenues between $6 billion and $7.48 billion, alongside healthy EBITDA margins, expected to normalize at 30 to 32%. In the short term, this momentum may attract more investors looking to capitalize on the rapidly growing AI sector, especially with CoreWeave's association with industry leader Nvidia, enhancing its credibility. However, the stock's volatility and ongoing losses may pose risks, suggesting the need for cautious investment. Over the long term, if CoreWeave successfully converts its backlog, it could solidify its position in the burgeoning AI market and potentially drive substantial shareholder returns, leading to a more stable stock price trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned CRWV an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, it was reported that Macquarie assigned CRWV a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Monday, the 5th of May 2025, it was reported that MoffettNathanson assigned CRWV a neutral grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, as is the price-to-book ratio. For return on investment, the analysts continue to give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $85.42 and $54.28. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 21, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 6.73%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave Class A common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $90.24 and $86.59. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may cause the stock to decline to the next support level. In this instance, CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support just below today's level at $90.24. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $86.59 and $80.30. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $17.03 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 17.11%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 19.29%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either reporting negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $107.39. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a potential level for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock encounters its first support level at $90.24. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our suggested stop loss is established at $94.79, reflecting a decrease of 5.36%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which indicates a significant level of risk. Recently, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these signals to be sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Instead, it should be regarded as a hold candidate while we await further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate CoreWeave Class A common stock will open higher by $5.24, beginning trading at $105.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.